Hello and welcome back, ladies and gents. So today in this video we are going to be cracking on with the MG ZS. I start off with pulling out the interior of the MG ZS. That way when I do the welding nothing catches fire. So we get all that pulled out, I do the welding, get all that buttoned up, and once that's completed we then get some carpet out of another MG ZS just so we've got a nice clean tidy carpet to go in the other one. So stay tuned, give it a watch, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you're new. So, after having it on the ramp, there's a few little bits of welding that just need done just around this area, and I don't want anything to catch fire, so I'm going to pull the carpet out or up and we'll see how we get on. But the carpet is ripped down here and just here, and we have another parts car around the back, and I really would like to take this carpet out and put the other carpet in if it's in any better condition, which you do need to check. And also the other one's got some more better seats, or some better seats. This one's a little bit tight, but they're not too bad, and the headlining is completely sagged down. But let's say there's two cars around the back that could be used for parts. So yeah, we're gonna get the carpet ripped out and put a new one in, or at least just pull it up just to get it welded for now. We'll see how we get on. First things, we start off by removing the Phillips screw on this housing. Once we've done that, we then get the trim remover tool and pop the little clip off to the right. To start off with, I couldn't find this clip for love or money, but after inspection I managed to find it. Then I come to a bit of a hurdle where I didn't actually know how to get the housing out, because the levers were in the way, which turned out all you needed to do was give them a pull and they pulled straight off like so. Once that was out, I then had to fettle it around a little bit and managed to prise the plastic out around the clips without damaging it, and that was that task done. We then had to move on to getting the footstep out of the carpet so we could remove the whole carpet section, and there was a side trim panel to the right hand side. So once the step was removed, we then started removing the panel to the right, which one clip was already missing, and there was a clip at the bottom which when I give it a pull you'll see it pop straight off. Once that's completed, there's a couple of clips on the carpet edge which just hold it underneath the side trims of the car, which I'd previously removed to remove side skirts, etc. So yeah, that side is now all done, so let's give the carpet a lift and show you the damage of what we need to repair. So as we all know, good British weather rots the cars out, and this is the damage it does. It rots out the floors and it needs repairing, so that'll be cut out and replaced. So as you can see, we've then had to remove the passenger side left trim which sits against the pillar. I believe that is all on the passenger side, other than a couple of carpet clips. We then move on to getting the full seat belts out of the passenger seat to remove a seat. You may also notice that I have removed the driver's seat. Unfortunately I lost the footage of me removing that, but yeah, we've got a passenger seat, so it does the same principle. So remove the 4 bolts. Underneath the seat is a little connector for the airbag that's in the seat. On the driver's side one, I will add that this one had been cut and the plug had been cut off, and there was 2 pieces of wire that had been just soldered together. So we have a donor car out the back, we will take the clip and that off that one and solder the wires in correctly so that it has a fully working connection again. So with the front seats now removed, we can crack on with the rear seat removal. There's just 2 bolts either side that need taken out, and then there's a couple of little black trims over the top. Prise them off. Literally take these 2 bolts out and that whole back seat will come out, allowing us to have full access to remove the carpet. There's a couple of push clips in the back of the carpet, just mounting it into the floor to obviously keep it nice and tight. Just pop these up and prise the carpet up. Then we cracked on with getting the centre console removed. 2 screws either side and 2 10mm in the middle. So take 2 screws out, take 2 10mm out, lift the centre console out, and there's a little connection for the passenger side window. Take the connection off there, job done. I've popped both of these out, and as you can see there's a screw there and a screw there. Fingers crossed that is all we need to do to get the centre console out. That is The screws removed. Now we just need to remove the centre console. The radio's still in. We had a bit of an issue. I couldn't get the radio out because I haven't got the right pins for these. So lucky enough there's a little screw in now I could just get to. Just enough so I can pull it out. One centre console out. I left all that in, which is lovely. That now allows us to get full access to the carpet for the carpet to be removed. There's just one more thing to go, and that is the seat belt. Just one more thing to remove before the carpet can come out, and that's these two seat belt anchors. Well, usually what I do is I pull the seat belts down, tie them up, and that stops the seat belt retracting all the way in and getting stuck. Bosh. Right, just got to buzz these out. Lay them on the back. Out the way. What's that? Chuck that on the back. That'll be fine there. As I say, just tie them up like so. The carpet should be ready to come out now. Just like that, the carpet's removed. As you can see, floor pans are pretty damn good. The only two concerns is just under here, which this side wasn't actually that bad. A little bit of rust up the top there, but that's just surface rust, I believe. Yeah, it's absolutely solid, so we can rub that back and just treat it. But the other side is where it is a bit rusty. So I might, depending. Nope, I ain't getting that out at all. Reason being, I ain't taking no dashboard out. So what we'll do is this, is we'll just tape this up to the dash, just to keep it out of the way. Don't want nothing catching fire. Same with this section here. We can just pull it out of the way, pull this out of the way, just to stop any fires when welding. Other than that, this side's pretty there. And then with this side, which is where the majority of the welding is, we've got a little rust hole just here. We've just got to sort of cut a section out like so and weld in there. And that is literally most of the welding on the old girl. There we go, all tucked up back the way. Shouldn't cause any issues there. Let's say, just got a little bit, I think it's the other side of here. We'll double check underneath. And then this little bit here, which is no big deal. You may want to take this sound dead and out of the way to stop it catching fire. And stop this side getting thingy, I've literally just lifted the carpet out, I've propped up with a piece of steel. And hopefully we should all be good. Ready to do some welding. Well, cutting and welding and cleaning and everything else. There we go, that's one side welded up, all cut, done properly, and even got a jack and mount back on it. I've just put some seam sealer on it. It's not pretty, but yeah, there we go, like factory. Stone chipped and all done on the driver's side. That's the passenger's near side all welded up. All cut all this crap out and filled it in, new jack and point in, seam sealed it just to protect it a bit more than anything. Welds were all clean, so nothing to hide. You'd see them if not. Just got to put some stone chip on it now. And the other side all stone chipped, all done. Lovely jubbly. like new. One side all painted, like factory. And there's the other side, all done and painted. Right, I am going to start taking out the carpet and the seats out of this, ready for the other MG. I have recorded a lot of bits on the other MG, but I have messed up a bit on the audio. So I have some new audio equipment on its way, and hopefully that will help with the videos in the future. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with getting the interior out of this. All ripped, big hole, another big hole here, not really a lot good. Passenger side's all good, there's nothing wrong with that. It's literally just a driver's area. Now this carpet, although that bit's going to be covered by the seat, it's got a very slight tear in the back there, which you're probably not going to notice. I think there was another one up here somewhere, barely noticeable. Behind a piece of trim. That bit someone's already cut on this one. That might be factory actually. This plastic section's fine. No holes, no holes. A little bit of rustiness, but I think we can sort that. This was the only issue with this carpet that someone's cut, but this is all going to be covered up by the seat. And I think it'd probably be better to have a better area here than this one. They both need cleaning, so I think I'll clean this one up, see how well it comes up, and I think we'll put this carpet in it rather than that one. I've just used a little bit of rubbing alcohol on that and it has come out a treat, so I'm going to clean the rest of the carpet up. We'll go with this one. Give the seats a good clean as well, like new. Sort of fell over. Yeah, all clean. Carpet's over there drying. Hopefully the seats will dry. Right, I'm now doing some repairs to the airbag plug on the seat. Two wires are shrink wrapped together. Slide the sleeve back over. That all sits under the carpet. That goes up to the seat. We've got this one to put on the seat on the other side. Of a service item here, we've got a pollen filter. Whilst we've got the car stripped out, it's going to be a lot easier to get to. So I'm just going to change that. Oh my days, there is no way that pollen filter has ever been changed. There's some more leaves. I'm going to need to get the hoover in there. That's that back in. Right, time for a carpet to go in this car then, after I wipe over the dashboard. One carpet fully in. Just got to put all the side trims and seats and all that doodah back in and we're good to go. That's the seat repair done as well. Right, it's time to get the seats in. So, start with the right seat. Right, there we have it. Back seats are all back in. Front seats, centre console. Everything is back in the old girl. Job done. What are you doing there, cowboy?
Oh, getting the floor mats ready to put in it.
Are you?
Yeah.
Is this your participation, is it? Sure?
Yeah.
How sure? Huh? I think these ones are the front ones. These ones. Well, that definitely don't go in there. I go the other side, that one.
No, I'll put the one.
Might as well put the side back one in while you're out.
Yeah, okay.
Careful, there's a ramp leg, yeah?
Yeah.
And when you go flying again.
Alright. That one's in there. Oh God. Let's have that one.
We've got Cowboy on car mat duty. Oh, he's got it dirty now, look. You're supposed to be making it pretty, not worse. Oh, look at that, look. Brand new car mat, all dirty. What you like?
That's alright.
Had one job. You had one job to put the car mats in there. Oh, look at that, look.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that. It's complete inside now.
Yeah.
Just need to clean the back's top bench because I didn't do that one.
Huh? The what?
I just got to clean the top back bench, so I didn't do that one. Right, that's it. So we've got all the welding work done on it. The car was fully obviously stripped down to do the work, and we got it all back together. Now all we have left to do on it is to do all the brakes on it, cam belt, water pump, full service, set of wheels and tyres, and a full detail. So stay tuned for the next video on those, where we complete this car hopefully and get it all back on the road ready for the owner. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Right, that's it. So we've got all the welding work done on it. The car was fully obviously stripped down to do the work, and we got it all back together. Now all we have left to do on it is to do all the brakes on it, cam belt, water pump, full service, set of wheels and tyres, and a full detail. So stay tuned for the next video on those, where we complete this car hopefully and get it all back on the road ready for the owner. Thanks for watching. See you soon.